Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Krups espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a bit of work, which means we had to replace this whole assembly that you see right here. We had to get really deep inside the machine, disassemble the entire thing in order for us to get into this part and replace it. This one, unfortunately, as you can see, it was leaking all over the place. There was a lot of cracks around here. The whole assembly needed to be replaced, and that's what we did. We also replaced this thing over here. This is to clean the cappuccino, the steamer of the machine, to make a cappuccino and other drinks. This is a little container that goes in there. We secure the container, and we also replace the little thing that attaches to this area. So now we can just push it in to lock it into place, and then push it again to take it out there. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna be testing it out. That way we test everything at the same time, and then we're gonna conclude the video. Alright, as you can see, water level sensor definitely works. The machine is telling me to get some water, so I'm gonna get a little bit more water. Be right back. With the machine back again with water, we can now try to do our cappuccino again, and it's going to do the whole process. Okay, the machine now is telling us to put the milk in here, and now the machine will automatically do its magic.
But you really shouldn't have to. Or every 6 months, you have this grind stuff.
There you go. We're soaking the cappuccino maker into milk cleaner. As you can see, it's frying pretty well. Doing everything automatically. Nice foam coming out of the spout.
The frother is a little wet. It's something that's true of all single boiler machines. Is that the froth is a little wet. That's where the dual boiler machine is really, you get quicker performance and stuff.
Now it's going to extract the coffee, and like I said previously, the spouts that we have right here were leaking all over the place in the machine, and it was not extracting coffee as it's supposed to. Now with the new spouts, you don't see any leaks. The stream comes out nice and steady, coming out through there. Excellent color. Perfect quantity.
Put this on top of espresso before you pull the shot. So you put the espresso in here. And what it does is it slows the milk. It slows the rate at which it prevents that spray from going into the coffee at all. And then you don't have any questions. You just have to make sure that the back of the machine because it's something dirty you clog up.
Alright, now let's do an espresso. Pre-infusion and extraction, and as you can see, that steady stream Coming out the spouts, looking amazing. Excellent crema as well. Great shot of espresso. So there you have it. Krups working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.